the car. He got the covers off. He has a blower off. Guys, he got the heads off. Now he only got one head off. He just sent the ECM out to GP Tuning, and he's gonna get the startup base file in. Did you have a Z06 before the ZR1, or you just want to switch to the ZR1?
First car I had an 02 Z06, an 07 Z06, then I had an 08 Z06. Probably should just have the wheel guy fix them.
Oh, not perfect, but like,
because they all have like.
What's up, y'all? So I just pulled up to the shop today, and he has both of the heads off, as you can see. But shit, bro, the whole fucking car is just taken apart. Everything's over there. That's crazy. You get a brand new car and you tell yourself, you know, you do an exhaust, maybe some headers, and then boom, the whole fucking shit's taken apart, bro. So this is probably the third day working on this car. He couldn't get much done yesterday, so today the same point that all right, guys, so I just pulled in today. It's been about a week, and yeah, he has the whole car back together. The heads are on, oil pan, the whole front rack basically. He put the new heat exchanger in. This is the blower. Should go on soon. Guys, so this is the next day. I just pulled up and the blower is on. I mean, the lid's right there, but the blower is on. The intake is on. I got this powder coated. It's a Coors intake, for anybody wondering. The meth nozzles are on. I think he still has to put one more nozzle on for the meth. And everything's in, man. Everything is in, and we're basically just waiting for the ECM to come in for the first startup. And the whole car is back together, as you can see. There's like nothing left to do besides put that lid on and then put the ECM back in and start her up. So yeah, that's it for this video. The car was apart. 2019 Z06 taken apart, brand new car. And now it's back together, and hopefully, you know, everything works out and it starts up just fine with no problems. And yeah, thank you.